Good morning, guys. I know y'all can't really tell right now, but I'm really stoked for today. We're going to be installing these Recaro seats, as you guys can tell by title and thumbnail. I'm really excited, so let's go over there to my uncle's shop, and we're going to have to fab something up to get these seats to fit. So without further ado, man, let's get over there and let's start installing these seats. Alright guys, as y'all can tell, in the car, one big major thing on why we're changing the seats is majorly comfortability. You guys can tell the whole seat moves back and forth, so once I'm more stable, and as you guys can tell, look at my knees, the motor just got stuck in the seats. So I'm going to both manual racks for obvious reasons, weight savings, and I'm tired of these motors, dude. These motors, they're damn near close to 25 years old, so it's about time to get switched out, and I hope that we can get the motors to move back and forth to get the bolts out of the seats. So we're on the way right now, guys, and I'll pick the camera right back up whenever we get over there.
Damn, he had to smash all that down?
For his wiring harness, I think he said.
They got a little reinforcement plate, but
Thank God, bro. I was able to fish him out with the wrench. So this is the seats just sitting in the car. They look pretty good, but we might have to go to a black carpet to make it look better. But you guys can tell the brackets are way off, so we're gonna have to figure something out. And the back, they're way further away from the bolts also, so I'll show you what we do. What do you think? I'm gonna get detail. Yeah.
who's that?
I'm about to go detail them right now.
Well, not
Sitting
already paid for it.
They feel badass, bro. Yeah.
Don't you like burn them or something?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have to go back and forth, dude. We had to massage the interior. We had to beat the shit out of it with the hammer.
Oh, this felt good.
They feel nice, right? Hell yeah. The side bolsters?
We literally just finished like 5 minutes.
Yeah. Literally just finished them.
Yeah, rolled up.
Custom brackets and shit.
Yeah, this fucking
We had to retap the hole on the right passenger side because Dad ripped it out the floorboard.
Yeah, you fucking ripped out the threads out. It was a $20 bolt.
Hell yeah. I was thinking about putting black carpet in it. And that's better, right?
Black carpet.
Just find it out of another car. So it fits better. I'm telling you, that's aftermarket shit didn't fit on mine. He's already trying.
That's the wrong one. That's the wrong one.
You gotta go down.
Yeah, that's the one that lower the seat
bitch down.
Yeah.
Dude, what the f?
What?
You're like head the back.
I'm gonna lean it back.
Dude, yeah, you're gonna go all the way forward.
That's because you're short.
Yeah.
Yeah, but clutch. The clutch should always be right here. It should have been right here all the time. It was. I thought it was when I bought it. It was like that.
They're sturdy now, though.
Yeah.
The other ones are back and forth.
Shit. You gotta put a sticker over here.
I got that tall her shifter one.
Yeah.
The 8-inch one. So it's more back
Yeah. Dude, you should have seen the shit we did, bro. I had to beat the shit out of the trans tunnel.
The fucking shit we took off the seats.
I had to beat the shit out of the trans tunnel to get it in.
Oh, yo, what did y'all do? How did y'all get this?
What?
Y'all use the same one?
Yeah. So we used the S550 brackets.
How the f is it going? And what move?
Because look, right here,
It's hitting.
there was a fucking a harness right here. I had to move it over. So we're just gonna have to slide it back and forth until it clears the carpet.
Oh, it's hitting right here, Chris.
Yeah, it's close.
You gotta beat the down.
Yeah.
That's all the furthest it goes up.
No, you got to pull on it. It'll go up. There it goes. It's mostly the plastic too. It'll self-clearance itself.
Who's doing it? JD. Who's that?
I haven't driven in a while.
Yeah. But look, get out. I'll show you the brackets we did. Brackets.
Oh yeah.
The stock S550 brackets right here, they go all the way back here. So it's like we either go through the floor, or this is what we did. We created a bar that goes across, and then through the bottom of the bar we drilled holes, mounted this to here. So basically it's still mounted in the stock locations. It's just fucking reinforced.
Oh yeah, I ain't going on.
Yeah, no, that's good.
I'm ready to start moving.
So I'll pull them out and paint them. But these are the ears that we cut off right here. That's how far more they went back.
Ah, la verga.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
And then the front mounts, they mounted.
We holes in the floor and braced it, but
Yeah. Well, boys, they're in. Damn, dude, these things feel good. They literally feel like a damn racing seat. It's pretty close to the door. Not touching the door, but it's good. It feels like a brand new car, dude. I could barely freaking let the clutch out. My foot placement and the, yeah, dude, those things look sick. Oh, it's because my dad raised the seat up, I think. Yeah, it kept the feature where you could raise up the seat and lower down the seat with the crank handle. Damn, dude, it feels good. And these bolsters, dude, they just hug you in so nice. Damn, that's sick. The passenger seat looks good too. They're sturdy, dude. So sturdy. Yeah, guys. I'm freaking stoked. Recaros, baby. So we kept the seatbelts mounted to the body. I know a lot of people, they mount them to the seats, but they fit fine on the body. And we did have to custom make some brackets for the back, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. So just in case, I really doubt, like if I got in a wreck or anything, that the seats would come unbolted. The seatbelt is actually still in the stock location. The seatbelt is still mounted to the body, so say the seats did come unmounted or whatever, the seatbelt would still hold me in and the seats. But look at them things, man. They fit good, dude, and they recline all the way back. Recline forward. They hug you nice, dude. Damn, I'm in love with these seats. $1,000 well spent, dude. Now, I did have to massage a lot of the trans tunnel and a lot of the floor with the hammer. So, man, while I was doing it, I was like, dude, is this even worth it? Should I just get S197 seats? These seats fit good, dude. Like, they feel really nice. Compared to them stock SN95 seats, the contrast of black and brown, it kind of looks weird. It would look really good if the whole car was all black inside, but unless I get the whole dash for a stupid price, I don't ever see myself doing that. But now I might put a steering wheel in it, a black steering wheel. I like that you can adjust the height now. The stock seats, you were kind of just screwed if you didn't like the height of the seat or put something underneath the seat. This one, it can actually go up or go lower. So it's it's more friendly now. If I wanted a shorter person or a shorter torso person to drive the car, they can adjust it to, you know, them. Which at some point I want to get my girlfriend, I want to teach her how to drive manual and have her drive the car. So excited, man. Whenever I get home, I'll show you more of the seats and more how we mounted it. But I'll pick the camera up right when I get home. See you in a bit. This is not good, boys. Not good. I'm caught in this heavy ass rain on slicks, guys. I might have to pull over. Alright guys, as y'all can tell, we're home. It got very sketchy very fast. And this dude's doing the lawn outside, so let me just break it down real quick on what we did. Slicks for the daytime, pretty good. In the rain, no bueno. The whole car was damn shaking. I'll show you guys, as y'all can tell, Recaros are mounted. You guys might be thinking, man, Chris, them things are pretty dirty. Well, these things haven't been detailed in a long time. They were sitting in a storage unit and stuff like that. So all of this stuff right here, I'm pretty sure we can get out. It's just dirt. It needs a real good vacuum and a real good deep clean. So I'm not too worried about it at all. The only thing that I'm disliking already is that the belt kind of just hangs there. It doesn't have like a latch where the belt always hangs in. So sometimes it falls back like that and I have to reach back and grab it. No big deal. We use the stock mounting locations. We just had to drill a hole in one of those feet right there, and then on this side, this mounted in the right 2017 Mustang location. And then once we scoot it up, I hope it's not flashing like that. It's flashing on my screen. I hope it's not flashing like that on video. But this bar right here going across, it's a 1/4 inch steel bar. We cut it to about 17.5 inches, something like that. And we just mounted some bolts right here from the bottom of the plate through the seats with a nut and a washer. So basically it's still mounted to the stock locations. It's just remotely mounted to the side. These bolts right here are going to the stock locations where the regular seats mount. And you guys can tell, man, I'll shake this thing. I'm putting some weight on it. And the seats aren't moving at all. So, you know, it was a great great install. Me and my uncle did it. Now I just need to remove the plate and paint it. When I remove it, I'll be deep cleaning the seats also. So yeah, man, basically on the back of these seats though, we had to cut the mount because the stock S550s mount like all the way back here, like right there. So we didn't want to do that because it would mount straight through the floor and it's just sheet metal. So I want to give a huge shout out to the guy that originally did this. This video helped us out a ton, and we kind of just copied it, fixed it up in a certain way that like our liking. So I want to send a big shout out to that YouTube channel. I'll post the YouTube channel name right here. Thanks a lot, man. Your video helped us out a ton. Just want to let you guys know now, this install was not an easy install. It took a lot of custom work. And we had to beat the car up a lot, man. I'll post up the pictures right now with what I had to do with the sledgehammer, and I kind of had to massage the tunnel, massage the sides of the... That this was not a plug and play by any means, easy install. What was easy is that these seats are manual, so that I kept the manual racks in them. The driver's seat, I was wondering why the driver's seat is heavier than the passenger seat. It's because the driver's seat has the ability to jack the seat all the way up or jack the seat all the way down. That way you could adjust the height on it. So yeah, the driver's seat weighs like, I got it written down, it's like 53 pounds and the passenger seat is 48 pounds. So all in all, you know, we got a weight savings because the driver's seat with the power module on it, the stock SF95 seat is like 58 pounds. So we still save weight there. Like I said, I want to pull that bracket off and paint it ASAP. That way it doesn't start rusting more. If you guys are interested in this and you guys are willing to do what we had to do, to install the seats, S550 seats, I definitely recommend it. The seats are very nice. I know even GT seats, premium seats would be nice. I know that you can wire them up to move them back and forth. The guy on the YouTube channel that I got this from, he wired his, so his buttons work on the seat. You could probably even get heated and cool seats to work, but I don't need all that stuff. So I'll post a link down below to his video, that way you guys can see exactly what I did. I just wanted to show you guys the finished product, and I'm very, very excited, guys, and very happy with these seats. They hug you real nice. They feel really firm. They don't feel like the other seats going back and forth and really loose and stuff like that. So all in all, it was a huge upgrade. Let me know if I should change the carpet to black or leave it like this. Do you guys like the two-tone, the black and brown? Should I do a whole black interior, which I really want to do, but you know, it's a lot of work. So, and should I go for an aftermarket steering wheel? I really like that Ford Sparko steering wheel, so I think that would help out the black and brown theme that we're going with. The seats look awesome, man, and it makes me a lot more happy and a lot more excited to drive the car now. So all in all, it was a successful day, guys. I had to run back and forth and get different bolts, and all these bolts in this car are grade 8 now on the seats. So yeah, I don't have it down in my mind, you know, we won't have a problem launching the car, or I'm not, you know, thinking that something's gonna happen, the bolts are gonna come out of the seat or anything like that. It's a lot more safer than the stock seats, that's for sure. So if you guys enjoyed this one, man, please drop a thumbs up for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it, and it feels good to be back, man. It feels really good to be making content again. So let me know in the comments down below, guys, what do you guys think of this upgrade? Do they look good in the car? You know, y'all be the judge of that. I love them. But that's gonna be all for today, guys. We'll see you guys on the next video. We have a lot of stuff planned for this car, man, a lot of stuff. So hopefully this rain can go away before I go back to work, and we can get some pulls in the car for you guys, and maybe we could cut the exhaust, you know, and do that stuff, because I know you guys said you want the tips back on the car, and so do I. So pretty sure we're gonna do that also. So with that, guys, it's your boy 4.6Chris. We'll see you guys on the next one, man. I greatly appreciate all the likes, all the support, and all the nice comments you guys leave. I greatly appreciate it, man, more than you guys think. So let's see you guys on the next one. Peace out, man.
I am, girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can. Girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.